ake siboneke ukuthi si-organise kanjani-ke idatha na. Siney'ndlela eziwu-5 zoku-organize idatha. One, sisebenzisa ama-tally marks engizowa-explain-a in detail, angakuthusi wonke lamagama uma ngabe uyaqala ukwezwa. Sazowa-explain-a wonke in detail. Sisebenzisa ama-tally marks to create ama-frequency tables, and then siphinde sibe nama-central tendencies. Ukuthi ama-central tendencies kusho i-tendency of things, living things, yokuthanda ukugruphana together nje, yabo. Heads of buffalo, prides of lions, human beings, yabona nje. Nasesikolweni nje mawubuka ngebreak abantwana bedlala, uyabona bangama-group, banama-tendencies of clinging together. Ama-central tendencies lawo, awu-3 ama-types. Kune-mean ekuthiwa yi-average, kube ne-mode, right, which is the most common whatever into information oyitholile eningi kunawo wonke mode. I-median, i-middle value. Manje u-19 nje i-middle value, 9 plus 9 18, kusho ukuthi le yes-10 i-middle value, i-median. Bese siba nento ekuthiwa ama-stem and leaf diagram. Ngale biology siyazi ukuthi ama-plants, isihlahla sine-stem bese kuba nama-branches anama-leaves. Ngalana sizokwenza something like that. Bese kuba nama-measures of dispersion. I-dispersion-ke ukusaphazeka. Into mayixexelene ndawonye kuthiwa ise-central tendency. Into mayisaphazekile i-scattered nje, it has dispersed. Ama-measures of dispersion-ke ley'nkomo ezidla zodwa-ke nge-break, abantwana bayadlala egroundini, uhleli yedwa uthamela ilanga lapho. I-measure uyadispersa lo, uyadeviate from the usual, uyi-outlier. Yabo. Siphinde sibaleke i-dispersion sibala ngezinto. Nayo ngizoyichaza futhi in detail.